Hello guys, this is Darek from Learn Polish with Darek. I figured I'll make some video to encourage you guys to learn Polish, so it's not all that difficult. I listed for you guys the top 5 things that I think are actually easier in Polish language than in English. So if you are about to start learning Polish, make sure to watch this video. So number 1, articles. Articles are one of the most difficult part of English grammar. So if you're talking to somebody and he confused those, you can tell right away that this is a non-native speaker for sure. So even if the person has perfect pronunciation and perfect accent, it is the DNA that can give away that he's not actually English or American. So in Polish language, there is no articles whatsoever, none, zero. So there is no grammar associated with this, nothing to learn regarding those. So pretty easy, huh? Okay, number 2, tenses. There are basically just 3 tenses in Polish: present, future, and the past. Well, technically there's more, but unless you want to write poetry, you're not gonna use them. The only thing you could get from it is being considered a very weird person. Let me give you an example that will illustrate how easy it is in Polish. In English you can say I slept, I had slept, I have slept, I was sleeping, I had been sleeping, or I have been sleeping. In Polish, all of those you can express just by one simple word: spałem. Next, number 3, the word order. Basically, it doesn't really matter in Polish. Let's take the example of a very simple sentence. Darek has a car. Darek ma auto. So Darek ma auto is the proper one, the most commonly used, the most obvious one. Darek ma auto. But you can also say Darek auto ma Darek, auto Darek ma auto Darek, or ma Darek auto. It will basically all have the same simple meaning, that Darek owns a car. Okay, number 4. Pronunciation. I know it might seem crazy at first, but believe me, in compared to English pronunciation, Polish one is way more simple to learn. After you understand how to pronounce the sz, czy, ży, chrząszcz, szczebrzeszyn and so on, which I explained in my other videos, then you will be able to pronounce every single word just by reading it. In English you have all these silent letters or just combinations of letters that are pronounced differently even though you write them in exactly the same way. So unless you heard someone speaking the word, by reading it you are unable to pronounce it correctly. In Polish this is way more easy. Let's take for an example the double O. Let's say book, sun, door, or a flood. In every word the double O is pronounced completely different. So the fact that Polish alphabet is almost 100% phonetic makes the spelling really easy. And number 5, there is a lot of Polish words that are Latin based. That means that they will be easy for you to understand. For example, sytuacja, informacja, promocja, komunikacja, motywacja, inspiracja, edukacja. Do I have to translate those for you? I don't think so. Okay, so that was the list of 5 things that are very easy in Polish language. I know that it is referred as one of the hardest languages to learn in the whole wide world, but I think that with that list I've been able to break the stereotype a little bit. So If you haven't started yet, now is a good time to learn Polish. If you liked the video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you soon.